about this song? Sing about a red bird. A red bird sitting on the sill. What are you doing, red bird? Eating some worms? Come on, give me some drums. Give me some saxophone. Red bird, where's your home? Hey, red bird, where's your mama? Is she home? So red bird, where's your babies?
In my back.
Oh, red bird talks. And what's your baby's name, red bird? Oh, hip hip hooray!
Hip hip hooray!
Hey, hey! Hey, hey! Red bird! What's your name? Oh, yeah! Boom, boom, boom! Red bird, are you eating some worms?
He's really scary.
Hey, red bird, are you eating the worms on the windowsill? Hiya, hiya. Go ahead, go solo. Go ding, 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 ding. Da, da.